Hello, Bright Stars. I'm teacher Susan, and today at the Brite Star School we're learning a lesson that shines. Respect for nature. Respect for nature means taking care of the earth. Respect is recycling. Putting bottles, cans, and paper in the right bin. Respect is planting. Growing trees and flowers to make the world beautiful. Respect is saving, turning off the water when we don't need it. Respect is protecting, keeping animals and their homes safe. Respect is cleaning, picking up litter to keep parks and streets fresh. Let's see what you remember, Bright Stars. What does respect for nature mean?
Taking care of the earth.
How can we show respect by recycling?
By putting bottles, cans, and paper in the right bin.
How do we show respect by planting?
By growing trees and flowers.
What's one way to save resources?
By turning off the water when we don't need it.
How can we respect animals and the earth around us?
By protecting animals and cleaning up litter.
Great job, Bright Stars! Remember, when we respect nature, we make the world healthy and beautiful for everyone. Keep shining, stars!
Enjoy over 55 series, 600 plus ad-free videos, and 400 plus books. All for less than $2.50 a month with a yearly Brite Star Plus membership.